For the next competition
So
shot,
254.5 is the current world record. 254.5. It seems pretty likely for Wang to hit another world record today. One of the world records was almost beaten on the first day. It didn't happen. But now it's up to Wang Zifei of China, 10.5. And I think, yes, that's going to be a new world record. And it's also going to be a gold medal for the ISS Zifei of China, the 18-year-old who broke the record in qualification process for juniors, but then came into the senior final and just broke the record. She had so many 10.8s. I can't even believe it, how all of this went down here today in this final hall in Lima. This is going to be a really remembered day whenever a world record is broken. Amazing shooting today from the men, but I have to hand it out to the ladies today. Really, what a final. Fan Shi with the bronze, of course. Han Jieyu with the silver. And at the top, currently really one and only, the junior world champion. Athletes just have a slower pace and the rhythm of how they're shooting.